What's up YouTube, Crazy JSU here. I'm excited. Spring has sprung in New England. It's going to be like around 50 degrees tomorrow, 60 degrees tomorrow, 50 degrees today, and warmer up this weekend. So, seen a couple of comments about the S1000 with a Brentune and then with a stock muffler. How does the Brentune sound? How's the bike sound with the Brentune and the stock muffler? That's what we're going to show today. And then we're going to put the GP exhaust back on so you guys can give a full differential sound between the two. I do have the GP exhaust right here. There it is. We'll put it back on, don't worry. Calm down. But some people don't want it that loud. Some people just want the stock can with the titanium exhaust. Brentune Stage 1. The Sprint filter. P08, I believe it is. We're going to do a cold start. This is a cold start Brentune stock exhaust. Service, yeah, I'm going to change the date and time so that I don't get that anymore. Big deal. Stock exhaust, guys. Brentune. Doesn't spit and spatter like the stock tune. Sounds really good. Deeper. I'm talking too so that way you guys can tell the difference between the two sounds. I'll let it warm up a little bit. We'll get a couple revs. It is quieter. switch over to the GP, you guys are gonna hear and sound. It's gonna definitely sound a lot different. Hold on. GP exhaust is on. Haven't started it up yet. That gas cap, perfect. Press it down, lift it up. That's it. You guys ready? My titanium is starting to blue. Very nice. Neighbors are not going to like this. It's not too early. When that service light message with the date and time updated goes away.
Vroom, vroom.